So let's look at a new topic this time. It's from OpenAI company, a product called Chat GPT. This can be used to create software, write reports, and it does a whole lot of things. So ChatGPT Generative Pre-trained Transformer is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022, quite recently. It's built on GPT-3 family of large language models, which is fine-tuned, and it does a great lot of things, which we'll see in this video. So this is the website of openai.com. So once you go into that website, you will see the explanation of what ChatGPT is about, and this one takes you to the chatbot. You have a couple of links here. API is application programming interface, where you can basically get the sort of functions, or you can build your own application based on the software which they give you. And they have a pricing model and docs and examples which you can browse through. And there's also a research section where they have explained about what the chat GPT has created, some of its creations. It can even create pictures, and you can create text. And now let's go into the try chat GPT, and it opens a window like that. If you don't see that, I have already logged in, so you have this window. If you're not, you just have to sign in with Google, and then you're in with your email address and a telephone number. So now you can just create a new chat and ask chat GPT to do anything. Like I tried to here write a Java code for scrapping a website, and you get the whole code which you can just copy and paste. And I wrote some questions. So let me try some write Python code for let's say scraping a website. Yeah, so I'm just printing it out, and here's an example code. So what it does is basically parses the internet and then writes for you a simple program which you can basically copy paste in Python and execute it. And that's the great thing about this tool. I don't know how much jobs are going to get lost because of this tool, because it does a whole lot of things which normally the humans do. And this is just the beginning of artificial intelligence. I think if this tool can do so much things, then I don't know what the future robots or future artificial intelligence technologies can do, and how the humanity is going to cope up with this great technological advancement. So you see that now you have a complete program of Python which you can just compile. And let me try with some other questions. Write me a report on American history. Let me type it wrong and see what it does, because this is just in the very testing phase, so it's not able to find. But okay, but it has found that it's history, which is a vast complex subject. It can provide a specific. Okay, write about American wars. Let's see what it types here. Yeah, so it gives you a complete report of what the American wars are about, and basically you can write anything. So this is just some of the examples I'm trying out. So it writes you everything nicely formatted, which you can use for any other purposes. That's the whole thing. So I'm just going to stop it to try out more examples. Let's try to write software to create an image. Let's say what it does. Creating an image software uses, so it just teaches you a lot of things. It even writes you a program with a specific Python imaging library. This is absolutely a great tool which you can use for any other purposes, like even bloggers can use to write blogs about any topic. So go on and try to use this tool, and let's get new technological advancements.